So are you frustrated and never know exactly what you're supposed to wear? Well, I have 5 steps for you to build the perfect outfit that will make you feel confident every single day. And it's super easy and it's gonna change your life. Are you so excited? I know I am, so let's get busy. So step 1 is finding your main piece. This is your key piece, your focal point, the thing that makes you so excited. And for me today, that is this animal print fun tunic or dress. Now it's winter, so I am wearing it with some leggings. And if you notice right now, these 2 pieces don't even match perfectly. They're in a similar color grouping, but I'm gonna show you how to build an outfit off of this. But all you need to know for now is step number 1 is your main piece that you wanna build your outfit around. So step 2 is picking your shoes. And I picked this super fun pair that has some texture to it, which I love. Also, it has similar shades to the outfit that I'm wearing. And I just love the little steel toe because then it turns your shoe into like a piece of jewelry, something to top off your outfit. Now, again, let me just tell you a couple things. These pieces do not match perfectly, but they're similar color grouping. They're a similar color family, which is what makes them work. But when you see this outfit at the end, you're gonna realize that yes, these 5 steps work so perfectly. So a few things to point out though, is even though this doesn't match perfectly, if you take a look at the bottom of the shoe, of the heel, it actually does match perfectly with the lighter color that is in this tunic. So that becomes your 2-piece rule. When you have 2 things that work really, really well together and match really well, you pretty much can mix and match everything. So you can see this has already started to pull everything together. And not only just the heel, but the toe with the silver has pulled the gray in from the animal print. And now we have 2 2-piece rolls. So now let's move on to step number 3. So step 3 is adding jewelry. All right, if you're not a jewelry person, it makes it a little bit harder to really define your style. I'll tell you, it is the least expensive and easiest way to create some fabulous to your outfit. So I added this very fun layered, it's kind of an oversized necklace, and you notice that I had to pull this off the shoulder a little bit so that it would work with the necklace. There's a lot going on now, right? But what I did, it was this silver is actually pulling the gray out of here. It's pulling the silver out of the toe and making the whole outfit work. So here comes step number 4. Step number 4 is your topper. Now this is the icing on the cake. This is what really sets you apart, and this is what people see when you're entering and exiting anywhere. So you want something fabulous and great. So I chose this wonderful, heavy on the texture, almost a little bit shorter on the sleeve, which is intentional. It is the style of this. So I love that these peek out just a little bit because now I have this 2-piece again. So we have mixed all these colors in the same color family and made this fantastic look that is easy, comfortable, no brainer. You could throw it on anytime. And you know what? There's even a lot more ways you can wear this, but I want to share step number 5 for you. This is my favorite. Step number 5 is to put on your confidence. So once you have mastered your outfit in those 4 easy steps, then you want to put a smile on your face. You want to stand up a little bit taller and feel confident that you just successfully put together a fabulous outfit. So I hope you feel as incredible as I do. Make sure you subscribe to Isha Inspired, and to find out even more and to go deeper into the whole self-confidence world, check out the social club. I think you're going to like it there.